Hey, do you have any resources you would recommend for, anyone in the industry or getting in to help them improve their business or to improve personally?
Get on the Facebook forums. They're really good. They're chock full of information. Someone's almost, but by now, already asked the question that you're going to ask. Just recently with the whole people breaking into our vending machines. This dude that's he's in Knoxville. He joined one of the Facebook groups, started sharing about it. And I was like, okay, that's the same people that, robbed us. And we was able to get together. They've already found out this woman's name, whole 9 yards. So, definitely get on the forums. You've really got a good thing going with the Laundromat resource, the podcast, the forums. Just the forums. Forums is free information pretty much. Because there's a lot of people with really, really talented people, really high up in the industry. Like, you're talking multiple store owners. Luke's on there. Mm-hmm. He's got 38 stores now.
3,800. I don't know.
You ask these people questions, and you're getting hundreds of responses sometimes. So
yeah, and not only that, but the answers to some of these questions, they're worth like tangible dollars, right? Like these people have learned how to make these businesses legit. And so, man, tap into their experience and their wisdom and benefit from it. And let your customers benefit from it too,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you've got a problem, most time you post it up there, you can either, especially like if it's a physical problem, somebody's bound to send you a video of how to fix it. So,
yeah, a lot of awesome people helping out there.